Hello everyone, today I'm here at the Phalbing Asura Cave, the holy site of the Lotus born master Guru Rinpoche or Guru Padmasambhava. And he is the founder of Tibetan Buddhism and respected him as the second Buddha. He traveling a lot of places in Himalaya, especially in Tibet, Nepal and Bhutan. In Tibet, he built the first monastery called the Samye Monastery. And then he traveled to Nepal and Bhutan as well. In Nepal, they have a few very important holy sites of Guru Rinpoche, such as Phalbing, and then Muktinath, Maratika and Daman. While he traveling from India to Tibet, of course he stayed quite a long time in Nepal as well. Therefore, Nepal have a lot of holy site of the Guru Padmasambhava. And right now I just in Phalbing. So Phalbing is one of the most important because he enlightened from here. As you know, Buddha was enlightened from Bodh Gaya, so as the Guru Padmasambhava was enlightened from Phalbing. Therefore, Phalbing is one of the most important place. Right now, we are in Asura Cave, where he stayed here for 3 years retreat meditations. Especially, he did the visualize on the Vajrakila. So once Vajrakila in Tibetan we call the Dorji Purpa or Purpa. So after that, after 3 years, he solitary meditation in this cave, and then he got enlightened from this Phalbing. So Phalbing, they have two caves. One is upper cave and the one is lower cave. The upper cave we call as a Asura cave, just now you saw. And then we visit the lower cave, which called the Yanglashi cave, which is not so far. It's just a walking distance from the Asura cave, and it's just in front of the main road. Okay, so I'm happy to make this short clip of the great holy site of Guru Padmasambhava, and hope you all enjoy, and please do subscribe my channel and like button. Thank you.